Italy is a dream destination for many travelers, and it's not hard to see why. With its stunning landscapes, rich history, world-class cuisine, and famous landmarks, Italy offers something for everyone. Whether you're a history enthusiast, a foodie, an art lover, or an adventure seeker, Italy has it all. But what if you're traveling on a budget? Don't worry. Italy can be a very affordable destination if you plan wisely. In this journey, we'll show you how to travel to Italy on a budget while still experiencing the country's beauty and culture in full. From finding affordable accommodations to discovering the best times to visit, this guide will help you make the most of your trip to Italy without breaking the bank. We'll also cover the top places to visit, the fun things to do, and much more. Subscribe for more adventures. Italy is one of the most popular travel destinations in the world, and for good reason. It's a country with a rich cultural heritage, beautiful landscapes, and a welcoming atmosphere. Let's look at why Italy should be on your travel list. Italy is the cradle of the Roman Empire, and its cities are filled with ancient ruins, art, and architecture that have shaped the world as we know it. From the Colosseum in Rome to the Leaning Tower of Pisa and the canals of Venice, Italy's landmarks are iconic and breathtaking. Italian food is famous worldwide for its delicious flavors and fresh ingredients. Whether you love pizza, pasta, gelato, or coffee, Italian cuisine will leave you satisfied. Best of all, food in Italy can be surprisingly affordable, especially if you eat like the locals do. Italy boasts some of the most stunning landscapes in Europe, from the rolling hills of Tuscany to the pristine Amalfi Coast and the snow-capped Alps. Whether you're looking to relax on a beach, hike in the mountains, or explore charming medieval villages, Italy offers diverse landscapes for every type of traveler. Italy is a haven for art lovers. Cities like Florence, Venice, and Rome are home to some of the world's greatest art treasures, from the Sistine Chapel to Michelangelo's David. Italy is also home to stunning architecture, including Renaissance palaces, Gothic cathedrals, and Baroque churches. Italy's cities are vibrant, bustling hubs of culture, history, and modern living. Rome, Milan, and Florence are just a few examples of Italian cities that are rich in both history and modernity. On the other hand, Italy's small villages, such as those in the Cinque Terre or the Tuscan countryside, offer a quieter, more relaxed pace of life. While Italy can be an expensive destination, it's entirely possible to visit on a budget. With careful planning, you can experience the best of Italy without breaking the bank. From budget accommodations to affordable public transportation, there are plenty of ways to save money while still enjoying all that Italy has to offer. Italy's climate varies by region, so the best time to visit depends on your interests, activities, and budget. Here's an overview of Italy's seasons. High season from June to August is characterized by hot and sunny weather, especially in southern Italy. Major tourist destinations such as Rome, Venice, and Florence are crowded. If you don't mind crowds and want to experience Italy at its liveliest, this is the time to go. This is the best time for beach lovers or anyone who enjoys a lively atmosphere. Expect higher prices for accommodation and flights during the peak season. However, booking in advance and looking for deals can help lower costs. Shoulder season, which includes April to May and September to October, offers mild temperatures and is less crowded. This is considered the best time to visit Italy for both budget-conscious travelers and those looking for a more relaxed experience. The weather is comfortable, and popular attractions are less crowded than in the summer. You'll also find more affordable accommodation prices. The shoulder seasons offer a balance between good weather, fewer tourists, and lower prices. This is the best time for budget travelers. Low season from November to March brings cooler temperatures, especially in northern Italy, and some rain. Some tourist attractions in smaller cities may close in the off-season. If you want to experience Italy without the crowds, this is the time to go. Cities like Venice and Florence are much quieter, and you'll have more room to explore. Accommodation and flight prices are at their lowest during this time, making it an excellent time to save money. However, keep in mind that some tourist attractions and shops may be closed in certain areas. If you're traveling on a budget, the shoulder season, from April to May and September to October, is ideal. You'll enjoy great weather, fewer tourists, and lower prices on flights and accommodations. Italy may seem like an expensive destination, but with some careful planning, you can enjoy a budget-friendly Italian adventure. Here are some budget travel tips to help you make the most of your trip. Book flights early. Airfare can be one of the most significant expenses when traveling to Italy, so it's essential to book flights well in advance. Use flight comparison websites such as Google Flights or Skyscanner to find the best deals. Additionally, flying into less touristy airports like Milan Bergamo or Bologna may save you money compared to flying into major hubs like Rome or Venice. Travel by Train Italy's train system is an affordable and convenient way to get around the country. High-speed trains like Frecciarossa connect major cities, and regional trains can take you to smaller towns at a fraction of the cost. Consider purchasing a Eurail Pass or Trenitalia Pass for unlimited train travel across Italy at a discounted rate. Eat like a local. Italian food doesn't have to be expensive. Skip the touristy restaurants and eat where the locals do. Look for trattorias, pizzerias, and osterias that offer delicious, affordable meals. Street food, such as pizza al taglio, pizza by the slice, or panini, sandwiches, is also a great way to save money on meals. Stay in budget accommodation. Accommodation can be pricey in Italy, especially in tourist hotspots. However, there are plenty of budget-friendly options if you know where to look. Consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or Airbnb rentals for more affordable rates. You can also find great deals on budget hotels and boutique accommodations through Expedia, where you can book discounted stays and bundle deals to save even more. Visit free attractions. Many of Italy's most iconic attractions are free to visit. For example, you can explore the stunning Piazza del Duomo in Florence, take a walk around the historic center of Rome, or visit the beautiful gardens in Tivoli. Many museums also offer free entry on certain days of the month, so be sure to check the schedules before you go. Travel off-season. Traveling in the off-season, such as in the winter months or shoulder season, can save you a lot of money on accommodation, flights, and activities. Fewer tourists mean more affordable prices and the chance to enjoy Italy's landmarks without the crowds. Italy offers a wide range of accommodations, from budget hostels to luxurious resorts. Here are some options for staying in Italy on a budget. Hostels are a great option for budget travelers, offering affordable dormitory beds or private rooms. Many hostels also have communal kitchens, allowing you to save money by cooking your own meals. Airbnb offers a variety of affordable options, from private rooms to entire apartments. This can be a great choice if you want a more local experience and the ability to cook your meals. Italy has plenty of budget hotels offering basic amenities at affordable prices. You can find many budget-friendly options in major cities like Rome, Florence, and Venice. Agriturismo is a type of rural accommodation where you stay on a working farm. It's an excellent option for budget travelers who want a more authentic countryside experience. In addition to affordable rates, many agriturismos offer homemade meals made from local ingredients. For the best deals on accommodations, flights, and vacation packages, Expedia is a great resource. By booking with Expedia, you can find discounts, bundle deals, and special offers that will help you save money on your Italian adventure. Click the link for Expedia in my channel's description to explore these savings. Italy is brimming with beautiful destinations, each offering unique experiences. Here are some of the must-visit places in Italy. The Eternal City is home to iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, the Roman Forum, and the Vatican. Explore ancient ruins, visit world-class museums, and stroll through charming piazzas. Florence is the birthplace of the Renaissance and is filled with museums, art galleries, and historic architecture. Don't miss the Uffizi Gallery and the iconic Florence Cathedral, also known as the Duomo. Known for its canals, Venice is one of the most romantic cities in the world. Visit St. Mark's Square, take a gondola ride, and explore the winding streets and charming bridges. The 5 colorful villages of Cinque Terre, perched on the cliffs of the Ligurian coast, offer breathtaking views and hiking trails that take you through vineyards and olive groves. The Amalfi Coast is famous for its dramatic cliffs, crystal-clear waters, and picturesque towns like Positano and Amalfi. Enjoy breathtaking views, relax on beaches, and explore charming coastal villages. Tuscany is known for its rolling hills, medieval towns, and vineyards. Visit cities like Siena and Pisa or take a wine tour through the beautiful Chianti region. Naples is the gateway to the Amalfi Coast and offers a mix of historical landmarks, delicious pizza, and proximity to natural wonders like Mount Vesuvius and Pompeii. Lake Como is one of the most stunning destinations in Italy, surrounded by mountains and dotted with charming towns like Bellagio and Varenna. Beyond the famous landmarks, Italy offers a wide range of activities to suit all interests. Here are some fun things to do in Italy. Take a cooking class. Learn how to cook authentic Italian dishes, from pasta to pizza, with a hands-on cooking class. Visit ancient ruins. Explore the ruins of Pompeii, Herculaneum, and Ostia Antica to step back in time and learn about Italy's ancient past. Go wine tasting. Visit vineyards in Tuscany or Piedmont for a wine tasting experience. Relax on the beach. Spend time soaking up the sun along Italy's stunning beaches, such as those in Sardinia, Sicily, and the Amalfi Coast. Hike in the Dolomites. For adventure lovers, the Dolomites offer some of the best hiking and skiing in Italy. Expedia is your one-stop shop for booking flights, accommodations, and activities in Italy. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly hotels or discounted vacation packages, Expedia offers great savings and bundle deals. Click the link for Expedia in my channel's description to take advantage of these offers and make your trip to Italy more affordable. Travel insurance is an essential investment when traveling abroad. It provides coverage for unexpected events like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, or lost luggage. When traveling in Italy, it's important to have travel insurance to protect yourself from unforeseen circumstances. Italy is a destination that offers something for every type of traveler, from history buffs to foodies to outdoor enthusiasts. With careful planning, it's entirely possible to explore Italy on a budget while enjoying all that this beautiful country has to offer. Remember to subscribe for more adventures and click the link for Expedia in my channel's description to find the best deals and bundle offers for your Italian getaway. Happy travels!